Good morning, Mr. Pottinger's class.
Good morning.
All right, today we're working on estimating products. Can you round and estimate products?
Yes.
Okay, an estimate tells us, helps us to find out how much or how.
Many.
Okay, just answer the question in the normal tone. Otherwise, the video is going to go on and on and on. All right, benchmark. A benchmark is a well-known number that is what? That is easy to calculate with. I don't think I put the word easy in there, but easy to calculate with. Compatible numbers are numbers that do what? That do what? They work well together. They work well together. They go well together. All right, finish my statements. When rounding and you have 5 and above, what do you do? So if the boss is 5 and above, you give the rounding number a shove, right? If the boss is 4 and below, what do you do to the rounding number? Leave it alone. What do you do when you are done rounding? What do you change all of the numbers to after you round your number?
0.
So all the numbers afterwards, right? Okay, cool. We needed to know how to estimate for 2 reasons that I think. Number 1, it helps us to see if our answers are reasonable. And number 2, it makes the math what?
Easier and faster.
Easier and faster, right? Okay. So when we look at number 9, we had, what's this called here? T-chart. And we have the estimate and we have the actual. So you guys are going to work on T-charts because I'm going to want to see both your estimate and actual for different problems. So for 24 times 39, we found 2 nice numbers that worked well together. We call those, what kind of numbers again that work well together? Would you say that 24 and 25 are pretty close to each other?
Yes.
Would you say that 39 and 40 are pretty close to each other?
Yes.
And would you say that 25 times 4 are 2 numbers that kind of work well together when multiplying?
Yes.
What is 25 times 4?
100.
So we wrote down our 100, but we have this extra 0 here, right? And so we put the extra 0 at the end, so it's 1,000, yes? Does that make sense? Is 1,000 pretty similar to our actual answer of 936? Hello?
Yes.
1,000 and 936, so they seem pretty compatible, right?
Yes.
How about this? Is 3 and 8/10 pretty close to the number 4?
Yes.
Is 6 and 200 pretty close to the number 6?
Yes.
Is 24 very similar to that?
Yes.
They seem close?
Yes.
They seem reasonable?
Yes.
We okay with all this?